Hey viewers, you are watching this video and I am Shudha. A shocking murder case has been reported from Visakhapatnam. The incident took place in the Gujwaka area. It has created panic among local residents. A Navy employee identified as Rabindra has been arrested. He is accused of killing his lover. Police said he also dismembered her body, and after the murder, the victim has been identified as Monica. She was reportedly in a relationship with the accused for some time. According to police officials, the crime took place at Ravindra's house in LV Nagar. The incident happened when his wife was away at her parental home. Police said Ravindra had called Monica to his house in the afternoon. During the meeting, an argument broke out between them. The argument soon turned violent. In a fit of rage, Ravindra allegedly killed Monica. After the murder, he tried to hide the crime. Police said he cut the body into two parts. One part was kept inside a refrigerator. The other part was packed in a gunny bag. The police received information about the incident and reached the spot. They searched the house and found the body parts. The accused was taken into custody. A case has been registered at the police station. Police said further investigation is ongoing. They are trying to find the exact motive behind the crime. More details are expected to come out soon. Officials are also checking the background of the relationship. They want to understand what led to the argument. The brutal nature of the crime has shocked people in the area. Residents said they are scared after hearing about the incident. Meanwhile, another violent case was reported earlier in February. A man was allegedly killed by his wife in Mangalagiri. The victim was identified as Sheikh Ahmed. He was 27 years old and worked as an AC mechanic. Police said the couple had an argument over the volume of the TV. The dispute quickly turned serious. The angered wife allegedly attacked Ahmed with a knife. He was rushed to a hospital in Vijayawada. However, he died during treatment. Police registered a case and started an investigation. In another separate incident, a man allegedly killed his ex-wife in Telangana. The incident took place in Rangareddy district. Police said the women had divorced and him remarried. This reportedly led to the murder. Officials reached the spot after receiving information. The investigation is currently underway. These incidents highlight rising cases of violent crimes linked to personal disputes. Police have urged people to resolve conflicts peacefully. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.